How to activate your Pi wallet. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to simply do that. You're welcome to AppFix and Earn. So right here is my Pi wallet. So you can simply go to your Pi wallet by searching for your Pi wallet on your device. Go to your Pi wallet like this, and this is what the home page is going to appear as. So right here, in order for you to activate your wallet, looking here, you can see the option of wallet on the home page. So you simply need to go ahead and click on wallet right here. So when you do that, just like this, right here, you need to go ahead and input your fingerprint or your passphrase. So looking here where you can see activate your wallet, if yours is actually showing you KYC with Pi unavailable, this is what you can simply do. You need to make sure that you've actually mined up to 30 Pi on your main Pi account in order for you to be able to activate your wallet. So if this is not the case, and if this is what you're actually seeing on your screen, right here, looking here on the screen, if this is what you're actually seeing on your screen, then this is what you simply need to do. If you've actually mined up to 30 Pi, you'd be able to see this on the screen. So you need to go ahead and click on activate, then go ahead and click on activate wallet now. You can see that right here on the screen. So then go ahead and activate it like this by clicking on it and allow it to load up. So looking right here, it says wallet activation in progress. So you need to wait patiently for the wallet activation to be completed. After waiting for some seconds, this is what you're going to see here on your screen, which says here wallet activation completed. So this is how simple it is to activate your wallet on your Pi account, but you need to have mined a certain amount of Pi before you can be able to do that. Likewise for your KYC, you need to have mined up to 30 Pi in order for you to be able to complete your KYC. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. This channel is ready for you. Hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.